Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your TikTok Pixel ID to your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your TikTok Pixel to your Teachable account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Teachable, you know it's important to track your user behavior and also different conversions, and connecting your TikTok Pixel is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your TikTok Pixel, you had to have already created the pixel and then copied it to your clipboard. If you need help finding your TikTok Pixel ID, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But assuming you have it copied to your clipboard, next you want to go here to App Hub. It has these 4 geometric shape next to it. All right, once you click there, you're going to see a lot of different apps you can connect, but you want to scroll down until you see the TikTok logo right here and click on TikTok Pixel. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a little bit of information about connecting TikTok Pixel to your Teachable, but you want to click on the turquoise install button here on the top right. All right, once you do that, they're going to give you a little bit of information on how you can create a TikTok Pixel. But like I said, if you already have it copied to your clipboard, you want to go ahead and click into this box, paste it in here, and then click on the turquoise install button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your TikTok Pixel ID to your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.